Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a passport-sized photo in Adobe Photoshop using the most precise 2026 technical standards, ensuring your high-end portraits meet all professional government requirements with a clean studio finish. Let's get into it. First, open your image and initialize the crop tool. The first step is a mechanical necessity to set the correct physical dimensions for 2026 documentation. A standard passport photo requires a specific identity ratio that differs from typical professional photography. Launch Photoshop and open your portrait. Select the crop tool from the left-hand toolbar or press C. In the top options bar, change the drop-down from ratio to W times H times resolution. For a standard 2026 passport photo, technically enter 3.5 centimeters for width and 4.5 centimeters for height. Set the resolution to 300 pixels per inch. This ensures your studio print quality is sharp and meets professional bookkeeping standards for 2026 IDs. Next, position the subject for high-end alignment. Once your dimensions are set, you need to align the face to meet international 2026 biometric standards. Drag the crop corners to frame the head and shoulders. Proper head sizing is a mechanical necessity. If the head is too large or too small, the 2026 automated passport scanners might technically reject the image during your professional application. Now, drag your cropped 3.5 by 4.5 centimeter photo into the new canvas. Drop the photo near the top left corner. If you technically set your crop and canvas resolution to 300 dpi, the photo will candidly appear at its exact physical size. This is your 2026 professional verification that the head size and margins are technically accurate before you proceed with the full grid. Hold the Alt key and click-drag the photo to the right. Arrange like 4 photos in the first row and another 4 photos in the second row directly below them. This technical arrangement fills the sheet with 8 copies. It allows you to technically see the size preview for the entire set, ensuring they are aligned for a professional cut. And that's pretty much it. To make a passport photo in 2026, use the crop tool set to 3.5 by 4.5 centimeters at 300 dpi. Drag your cropped photo in to see the size preview. Technically, arrange 8 copies in 2 rows of 4 using the Alt plus drag method. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.